Hi kids! This is teacher Maricel. How are you today? I hope you're doing good. Are you ready? Great! Okay, let's begin. Our lesson for today is about sounds around us. In this lesson, you will learn about the different sounds you hear around you. You will also classify and categorize those sounds. Let's begin. What sounds do you hear around you? Yes, we hear different sounds around us. Here are some examples. Listen carefully to these sounds and identify them, and try to imitate them. Are you ready? Let's start. Here are some sounds you can hear at home. Which of them makes a loud sound? The telephone, alarm clock, and laughing baby make a loud sound. How about a soft sound? The clock makes a soft sound. Sounds of transportations. Which of them makes a loud sound? Train, car, and motorcycle. How about a soft sound? Bicycle. Transportation make different sounds. They make loud or soft sounds. Animal sounds. Which of them produces a loud sound? Dog, chicken, and cat. How about a soft sound? Bird and butterfly. Different animals produce different sounds. Their sounds could be loud or soft. Sounds of musical instruments. Which of them produces a loud sound? Drums. How about a soft sound? Piano and guitar. Which of them produces a high sound? Guitar and piano. How about a low sound? Drums. Musical instruments have different sounds. Some musical instruments produce loud or soft, and high or low sound. We hear different sounds around us. Some sounds come from our environment. Some sounds come from animals. Some sounds are produced by musical instruments. Some sounds are soft and loud. Some sounds are high and low. Now let's answer the exercises. Exercise number 1. Draw a line to connect the object with the sound it makes. Okay, let's answer. Number 1, cat. Very good. Number 2, drum. Very good. And number 3, car. Good job. Exercise number 2. What kind of sound does the object in the picture produce? And circle the correct answer. Ambulance. Soft or loud? The correct answer is loud. Number 2, bird. Soft or loud? The correct answer is soft. Number 3, telephone. Soft or loud? The correct answer is loud. Number 4, crying baby. Soft or loud? The correct answer is loud. Mosquito. Soft or loud? The correct answer is soft. Good job, kids! I hope you learned a lot today. Thank you for watching it. See you in our next video lessons. Goodbye!